Congratulations, everyone. So, we are in the last episode of Everything I Need to Know I Learned in the Forest. In this session, we will be covering past 10 years question paper from this chapter. So, without delaying further, let's get started. Vandana Shiva's Earth University is inspired by Rabindranath Tagore. So, the answer for this question is B. What is the learning center started by Tagore? So the answer for this is C. Shantiniketan in West Bengal. Dash led the resistance against her own husband in Everything I Need to Know I Learned in the Forest. So the answer for this is Bachini Devi. The dramatic action of Chipko movement took place in the Himalayan village of Advani in 1977. Navadanya farm was started by Vandana Shiva in, what's the answer for this? Doon Valley. Name the author of Monologues of the Mind mentioned in Everything I Need to Know I Learned in the Forest. So the author for this book is Vandana Shiva. Where was Navadanya farm started by Vandana Shiva? Doon Valley. Name the author of Tapovan as mentioned in Everything I Need to Know I Learned in the Forest. Rabindranath Tagore. Name the movement which took place in the Himalayan region to save trees. Chipko movement. Why did Vandana Shiva start the Navadanya movement? Why did she start? For biodiversity conservation and organic farming. What does the Earth University teach according to Vandana Shiva? Earth democracy. According to Vandana Shiva, what has replaced Terra Madre? Terra Nullis means what Terra Madre means is Mother Earth, and she is replaced by Terra Nullis. Nullis means empty land. What is Chipko movement according to Vandana Shiva? Chipko movement is a non-violent response led by peasant women to the large-scale deforestation that happened in the Himalayan region. Where is the Earth University mentioned by Vandana Shiva located? Navadhanya farm. What, according to Vandana Shiva, does Earth University teach? Earth University teaches Earth democracy. According to Vandana Shiva, the failure to understand biodiversity and its many functions is at the root of impoverishment of nature and culture. The real value of the forest for women was source of basic needs, springs and streams. So in this case, both B and C is the answer. The conservation of biodiversity in agriculture leads to more quality food and higher nutrition. The conference organized by the UN General Assembly aimed at transforming the domination of people over nature, men over women, and rich over poor. So the answer for this is all of the above. Right of nature means the duty of human beings to conserve nature and preserving nature for self-protection. So B and C both are the answer for this question, okay? So these are some summary notes of which you can take screenshot and it might help you like revision just before your examination. You can take screenshot of this too, and like there are more dates which are there in this chapter, but these are more important. Other dates you can have a glance of, underline in your textbook, but make short note of these dates, okay? So congrats, that's it for the session. You made it through the chapter. Thank you. Meet you until the next session.